Hi, this is Doug Jones with ELP Brief. Thanks for joining in today. This is a program where we answer your caregiver questions, and the one that came in today: what happens when a parent refuses to go to a nursing home? We see that a lot. And if mom or dad still has capacity, bottom line, it's their call, unless they are at risk or unless they are putting someone else at risk. And if they don't want to go, it can be a tough situation. In real life, we see a lot of times where someone has early Alzheimer's or dementia, and they're just in denial. They think they're fine, nothing's wrong with me, I don't need any help, and they refuse maybe any type of care. But what if they do? What if they clearly need some care and they just refuse to go? Well, if they're still at themselves cognitively, a lot of times, and usually it's their call. Unless they're at risk or unless they're putting someone else at risk. So if it is their call and they don't want to go, this is where it helps if the family can pull together. And we talk some in our office about a mom-centered family meeting where the family gets together and just tries to be patient. Sometimes it takes more than one meeting. Be patient, be kind, be loving, be caring. Have a meeting with mom or dad and talk to them and see if you can work out a solution, come up with the options. Can at-home care work? Are there enough local family members to chip in some time, effort, or money and make home care work? Home care can be expensive in our area, especially if it's private pay, may be $18 to $20 an hour, and maybe mom or the family just doesn't have the money to pay for this. Can there be other options? I'm just thinking assisted living. A lot of times that is expensive, maybe $3,000 plus a month, but that is an option. Maybe mom can live with one of the kids for a while, one of the kids live with mom. So there's a lot of things to talk about, but this is a big step for a declining parent. I mean, it's their independence. They've been living by themselves for years, and it may take more than one bite at the apple. I've got a good friend whose mom was declining. She lived in another state, and he said they had to meet with her to revisit this topic several times over a period of a couple of years before she finally agreed to make a change. Sometimes you don't have that time. If their health is at risk, if their maybe a spouse's health is at risk, sometimes you got to move quickly. Sometimes you may have to do something like an emergency guardianship. Hopefully you've got documents in place like a healthcare power of attorney that may help in certain situations. In Arkansas, I guess the last resort, you may have to call APS, Adult Protective Service, to get some assistance if it is a dire situation. Hopefully it won't come to that in your family. Hopefully you can address this matter early on and have this mom-centered family meeting and the whole family get together in a loving way, in a supportive way, for the benefit of mom or dad to come up with the best going forward solution possible for them. We hope this information helps. Have a great rest of the week. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and click on that little notification bell to be notified the next time we do a video.
And if you want to interact with us, check out the description below and leave us a comment and let us know what legal or caregiver topics you'd like to hear about.